Congratulations, Brad Scroth. This is sick. This is sick. Brad, our winner of our $6,400 toolbox, our first, well, technically second giveaway, is in the chat. Our winner's in the chat. Brad, congratulations, my friend. You won. Can you tell everybody what you bought? This is awesome. Our winner's in our chat. Brad says, got myself a Chunky is the new Hunky shirt. That's amazing. Hey, congrats, dude. One shirt. That's sick. Congratulations, Brad. That's fucking awesome that you're in here. Congratulations, my friend. All right, so we made it. Jorbi's already asking for favors using the trunk, but we get here. Turbo S, beautiful 991.2, and then Jorbi's gonna trade his Civic for an M5. So it should be fun little cruise. We'll see what we can get into when we get to the spot. Should be fun. Are you excited? Have you ever driven an M5 before?
No.
All day, all night, you know we got it like that. We got it like that. All day.
It's very sketchy. It's very cold. Very cold. It's all over the place.
Look at me now, up in a we in a.
It's too cold. Just a little bit. Not even a crazy amount of throttle. She got pretty sideways. This thing weighs nothing, and it's too cold even on 325. Holy crap!
All day, all night.
Yeah, like just a little bit of throttle. It's cold. It says it's 46, but I think these cars like read a little hotter ambience than it is. Even on 325s, a little bit of throttle on a turn, and you guys, this car is no joke. And that's why I gotta learn it a little more. And you know, these tires aren't meant for, you know, sub 50-degree weather, but holy crap. Not gonna lie, my butthole puckered a bit. All right, we're at the spot now.
If you got it, let them know and never hold back. Hey, it's all facts, it's no cap, yeah. From the burbs, to the trap, hey.
Not quite sure what he's doing. He's in the grass. I don't know what he's doing. Should we go out and see what he's doing? What are you doing?
Huh?
What is that?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Like him. So we're gonna do like a V.
Oh, with both cars? What do you want me?
Nah, that doesn't belong here. So.
Did you get sideways on the turn on accident?
I was surprised that Mike held that well.
So what do you want me to do? Just leave it there for now? Or back it up?
Back it up where he's like by.
We got it like that, got it like that.
Go see this thing.
We got it like that, got it like that.
Shadows in the sky, footsteps in the night behind me.
We're gonna go ahead and get in the trunk of the car.
Targets in their sight, running out of light to save me. Dripping from my eyes, seeing red tonight as I wait to say my last goodbye.
of the Beamer
Yeah.
and get a rolling shot of the turbo.
Gotta risk it for the biscuit.
Let's go, dude. Here he goes. You gonna send me that shot so I can put it in this video or what?
Yeah, sure. I got you.
How'd it come out? Good, bad?
Yeah, I liked it.
Good.
I'll show it to you right now. Can
Alright.
you hold this for you? And then off to the right.
Oh, damn. That's like a commercial.
Porsche.
That looks sick.
All right, we get the Civic. Oh. And he gets the Vette. He's gonna review the Vette and we'll follow him in the Civic. Oh. Big rumble, big rumble. Well, that's good. It didn't stall yet. All right, he's done. Let's go see what he thought. This little Civic's not bad either for what it is. Let's go ask him. He's probably finishing up his video. Well,
Goodness.
you didn't even really push it.
I did.
Did you?
Down that road, I barely hit 7,000.
I know. It's like it goes forever.
And it's like you get such a, like, it just moves.
Yeah. It's light, it's planted, it's raw, everything.
It just flat.
Yep.
And it's just like, the thing that I kept on thinking in my head is like, I cannot floor it because I will end up spinning.
Yep.
So that's why every pull that I did it in third.
Yeah.
It felt sketchy doing it in second.
Yeah.
So I was like, third, get up to 3,000 RPMs, let it reel.
Yep.
And
I'm glad you liked it.
man, so good.
Yeah. Downshift, like rev matching, like
Yeah.
Pop City. It's
I
like,
love that.
Yeah.
It's like 2,000 to 3,000.
Yep.
Go
And you
ahead.
just let off, like no gas, no brake, and it just pop, 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 pop.
It's just that.
Yeah.
And that's not even the full rev. That's great.
What a day, what a day, what a car. That Turbo S, like when it launches, looks fake. Like it's so blistering fast, and it's like, it's actually pretty cold today, and like the traction control system just kept it in line, took off like a fucking rocket. That thing is seriously like incredibly fast. It's really nice inside. It's a Porsche. I mean, what do you expect? Like, it just makes me fall in love more and more with the brand, and hopefully one day I can own one. But nevertheless, thank you to Jorbi for inviting me out. That car is killer. Great bunch of people. It was a fun cruise. It was this is probably like the coldest day that I've ever took the Vette out, and it's a little late now. I don't know if you can see me, and the interior lights in this car are like abysmal. Here, does that help? I don't know. It's like the coldest day I've ever taken the Vette out, and it got squirrely a few times. Like, and it doesn't take much, and it was quite scary, but we managed. It was a great time. If you want to see Jorbi's full review on the C6, I'll put a link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe here, like this video, and enter for the new giveaway. Awesome day, awesome cars, awesome friends, and we'll see you in the next one.
You know we got it like that, got it like that. You know we got it like that, got it like that.